So this is part 2 of the Tantalus box, okay? You look for part 1. We've shown you how to make the actual canister. Because I say canister, because now we're going to make the actual box that it sits into, okay? Now you don't have to make the other bit if you don't want to. I mean, this would be brilliant as a pen pot. But let's make this section here. So first of all, you need 2 of that die set. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick those together. So just apply your adhesive on that bottom segment and put that one directly over the top. Make sure that it bends correctly, and then you know that everything is in the right place. So let's put that to one side so that can be drying. Okay, now we're going to make this bit here. Now this bit, if you've got a rotating memoirs, it's the same way to put it together. But if you've not seen the rotating memoirs, this is the die that does it. It's very much like a garage door, you know, the roller sort. So what you do is take the tape off of there and bring that one directly over the top and stick it down. So we've now got that cylinder effect. Okay, do not take your tape off the ends, because if you take your tape off the ends at this stage, you're going to find it very hard to put the disc on, because you need one of these discs on either end. Now do it so that your right side is down, okay, because this side is going to be stuck to the other bit. So place that onto there, give it a squidge, and you'll see that it will go all the way through. So it's been designed so that your score line on these bits are going to fold over. So once you've got all that, you're going to take your pokey tool and you're going to take off all that red liner, and then you're going to fold those bits back over. So that's going to secure that disc into place. So I work on opposite sides first. I go one side there and one side there, so I know it's stuck, and then I can just go round and just press them in. So you've got that little cylinder with all those little glue tabs coming over. Now you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. The right side down, give it a squidge so that everything goes in where it should go in, like so. That one's just flopped out, so put it so that it's level with the adhesive, and take away all that red liner, and you're going to do exactly the same on here. And this is going to give you your handle. Okay, it does give you a really substantial handle as well. So over, pressing all those bits in, so you can now see that you've got that little roller for the middle. Okay, so 2 of this die cut, and these are going to be your side panels on your box. Okay, it's really simple to put this together now, because all you're going to do is you're going to come in, take off all that adhesive and stick this into here. Now I like to start at the bottom, so I make sure that that bottom's level, and then everything else follows suit. Now just a tip for you, if you are wanting to put the patterned paper on, okay, do the pattern paper now. Okay, because you can actually get in to both sides. If you don't, then you put the other side on. We can't get in there to put a piece of pattern paper. So if you are wanting pattern paper, do it now before you stick your other side on. Okay, so let's take that away, and we're going to do exactly the same as what we did before. I'm going to start with the bottom. Oh, I'm stuck. This is extra sticky, this tape, I think. So let's get that bottom right into there. So we've got the bottom in. No, we haven't, because I've just come unstuck. Come on, sweetheart, stay in there. There we go. and then that side, and you've now got that bow front. Okay, it sort of crosses over. It's like a cross my heart bra, it crosses at the front. Okay, so this here now is the little bit that's going to go into here, but you need the arms for this to rotate backwards and forwards. Okay, now once again you've got a right and you've got a left hand. Okay, so we're going to put that one onto there, and this is where your brads are going to come in. So you're going to put your brad through that little hole, and trust me to get some big brads that are too big for my hole. There we go. Careful with your fingers, okay? Don't push it too hard. There we go. So that is going to go over there. And then the other one is going to go on the other side as well. Just make sure that these little segments are the same on both sides. So that's going to go into there. So let's do it one at a time. Let's go through that one, then through there, and then open that brad up on the inside. Press it nice and taut. And now all you need to do is put your adhesive on the end of those little wing nuts, and then that one glues onto there, and the same on the other side. And that, once it's stuck, come on, stay there, just give it a little bit longer. That is, your handle is going to be able to move then. Okay, so you can see where all those bits now stick together. Okay, and then you can start to bring in your patterned papers to decorate it all, and you can see that all those brads now hidden behind the paper. Or if you choose to use all the dies in the collection, you can start to have all those beautiful detailed dies on there with no problem. But it's a really easy but very effective, let's put that back in its holder, a very effective little box that's different, yeah, because it comes with its little own carry case. See you later.